welcome back to the Lego Shed Northern Quarters, and it's a brand new weekend. It is Saturday the 26th of July, and we're on to bag 2. And now, the Polter Pearson. Right, so we start with a couple of minifigs. So we'll do the same as we did last time, and we'll build up the minifig to show you what it is, then we'll disassemble him and put him back into... oh, I've knocked the camera. Put him into his pod, his little capsule. Now oh, there he is. Can you focus, camera? Would you focus? Camera's not wanting to focus. There he is. Maybe if I did this. That's better. There he is. So we disassemble him. These all go in a very specific way. Oh, is that going to go in? Yes. It's gone in. There we go. And if I turn the page, we have another minifig for this one. So we'll get the capsules sorted. Pauldrons. She's got this face, or this face. Got excellent hair. She gets a pistol and a lovely printed treasure map. She's a pirate, or I don't know. And so we get the capsule, put the Technic pieces in, torso, legs, Bottle. Head. Pauldron. Gun. Map. Hair. There we go. Right, I'm going to do a jump cut and sort to a proper camera angle. Right, let's just get tethered in and then we'll start with club business. There's not a lot of club business today, so we might have time to do bag 3, but I'll see how that goes. Right, so we start with the Google Eyes, the evil YouTubes. We only have one comment over there, and that is from Mason Jar. And I don't know if Mason Jar is a normal, is an aficionado of RWB, but if you aren't, welcome. If you are, welcome over here. And he just says, cool. I don't really have a thing to say to that, but it is pretty cool, I guess. Me deciding to turn the page seems to have destroyed everything. No. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit because we'll be down here for a while. I'm just going around filling these. Over on the Discord, we have Eric, who says, love the idea for this set, and I can't wait to see it fully working. Neither can I. But I've basically not been in the shed for over a week now. Mainly because I felt really poorly, and I wasn't sick, I just haven't been sleeping properly, so I couldn't give my full energy. So there, I can't wait to do it now. I'm like grabbing to go build. It's one of those things. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. And then we've got Barside Dreamer, who says, sorry Jordan, I meant to post this before you started the build this weekend, but I really enjoyed the first 2 sets you built last week. The snails especially were charming, and I loved their printed shells. They were lovely. They were really lovely, and they've gone pride of place. They've actually become one of my favourite sets. And that concludes today's club business. There would be an applauding machine, but I haven't got one yet. I haven't got a sound effects machine. Might get one. If I do a bag 3, I'll use the RWB rules of 1 Noel and Poulter Pearson per video. Even though it will be nulled out. done this wrong. Because they go in first. Yeah, I've just, as I said earlier, I've not been really sleeping. It's just my insomnia. And I didn't feel great last week. And then the Sunday that I was meant to come in, I'd not slept a wink. I just felt so poorly that I just took the week to rest. So yeah, this is the first time I've actually been in the shed since Saturday last week, so it's been a week. It's been a week. Where are we? We're doing 4 of those. I didn't write, but things are getting back to normal now. Let's see, how do these go on? They go on like that. In the right place. Yeah, it's looking very, very likely that bag 3 is on the table, because no way has it been 20-30 minutes. Should be building it like that, really. Where are we? And then and that was bag 2. So I'm going to pause filming and null bag 3. So I'll see you when I get back. And we're back with bag 3, and we start off with another minifig. There's going to be a lot of minifigures in here. I think there's about 16, I'm not sure, which is brilliant. And this guy, this chap, looks mean. Oh yeah, I've missed a step. Yeah, that's definitely upside down. Oh, here we go. He looks really mean, and he's got an excellent printed piece for a shield. Come on, look at that. I love that. I think he's my favourite so far, along with the pirate lady. He's got a whip. Beautiful. Now we disassemble him. That's another bus going by. So we disassemble him and we put him in his capsule. Where are we? Where's the two pieces? There we go. There they are. And what I'm going to do is once it's built, I will do a demonstration on how it works, the vending machine, but I shall get somebody else to put all the capsules in a random order. And every video I'll do 1 or 2 minifig pulls, and we'll have that as a little segment. Right, here we go. We're building 2 of these. So we need double everything. Don't know, is that too far away? Bend this down and go in a bit closer. Every car under the sun has decided to pass. So I don't know if you can hear me or anything. Now where do they go? Would help to look at the instructions. Go there. Go there. It's starting to get a little bit interesting now. That down there. Ah, this is something that needs precision, not there. We get these two pieces. Nope. And this one is facing that way. But this one is facing that way. Yes. That just, my depth perception just went off then, I think, because it looks higher than that, but it's not. I hope so. Yeah, it's not. It goes there. Now I thought it was higher up because of the instructions, but now it's being lowered. Okay, we're on to the next bit. Ooh. Right, and we're on now to this another precision bit. Got one of them. We're really into the guts now. The guts. This looks like it is the chute. And this goes here. I do hope that's right. Oh, the whole thing's wrong. Ooh, we're building a tower. Tower-like structure. Oh, the circle pieces. Takes me a minute. Once I've got them, I've got them. There we go. Oh. Right. This goes here. Like that. Yes. Yes. This is where I have to sort of concentrate now. I believe that's it. Bring this down. We've got a Technic piece, so let's get it the right way. Goes in like that, and this goes all the way on. Oh, I attached that without showing. Oh, it goes there. Apologies. That's everything on that page. Raise it up out a little bit because we're doing some big things here. Two of those. Two of those. Two of those. Two of these. So do these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move this out of the way, just for now. Sirens! At 3 o'clock this time. An hour later than it usually is. Sometimes main road living isn't great. Zoom in. We're building what looks like a little bridge. Where are we? That goes there. doing the same again, but the opposite way round. Where's one of those? That's there. Need one of those. Right, that one goes there, and that one goes there. That one there. That there, that there. This is a very focused in build at the minute. Yes, it goes there. Right. Oh. Accept me. There we go. That's on there. It's now taking shape. Ooh. And now I'm going to tether these down. Oh, yes, yes, that's correct. Right, I'm going to extend the camera a little bit. Oh. Didn't like that, did it? Because this one goes here. This one goes here. And these go here. And I believe, I'll bring you back down again. That is it. Yes, yes. That's it. We're on to bag 4 now. But I shall leave bag 4 for tomorrow. So I shall see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining me, and Apple wax forever. Bye bye for now.